So if you have a look at the machine from the bike, the RPB8 buffing machine, you can see the socket for attaching the cable for the mains. We've got a 200mm diameter wheel. The wheel shaft or the bore size is 15.9, 300 watt motor with a running speed of 1490 RPM. Before we start the machine up, we'll just show you how to install the wheels. I'm stood at the front of the machine now, where you've got the start and stop switch. But to put the buffing disc on, we first of all put the spacer on, then the support disc, before we put the 25mm buffing disc on. If you did want a wider buffing disc, you can remove the spacer bush, go straight on, and that allows you for the wider buffing disc. But for the ones that come as standard, like I said, the 25mm, this is the operation: spacer disc, support disc, and the left-handed thread to lock it all in place. Just turn it by hand till it nips in place, and then all you need to do is just hold the shaft. Just a quarter of a turn more is more than enough, because when you start the machine up, because it's the left-handed, it'll keep the thread on anyhow. So let's have a look at the machine in operation. I've just set my actual buffing disc temporarily on the end of the machine on a little jig, on a wooden jig, so it's nice and secure. We've put the wheels on correctly, we've shown you the spec and everything, then you've just got the basic stop start no volt release switch. So as we switch on, obviously the buffing disc come into operation. You can see how they've closed in a little bit, and then we'd be able to apply the wax and buff some of the timber or the bowl or whatever your work of choice is.